Welcome to the eGen Solutions YouTube channel, where we help you make your business social media a little bit easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily integrate your Zoom account or your Microsoft Teams account into your LinkedIn messaging. This is especially beneficial because then you don't have to keep logging in and out. You can schedule right into the LinkedIn messaging, and you can also immediately send them a link to have a video chat with you. So it is really helpful. Now, I'm going to give you both the desktop version and the mobile version. If you want to skip to either or, you can do so in the description below. I have those chapters set up. And as always, we love subscribers. Thank you for coming back. And of course, little thumbs up if this did help you. This helps the YouTube algorithms for us. Thank you very much. Let's get into the video. All right, so of course, in order to take advantage of the video program in LinkedIn Messages, you have to be in LinkedIn Messages. So make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn profile. Come over here. You'll probably be at your home page initially. Come over here to Messaging, select that. Find the person that you want to either message or talk to or respond to, because if they've been talking to you, you can easily do this too. Get into that message solely with that person. Then come over here to the very top and you'll see this little video recorder with a plus. Click that. Let me move myself here. Click that and come all the way down to select a different provider. Clicking this will now allow you to enter whichever provider you want, whether it be Microsoft Teams or Zoom. I'm going to show you really quickly what happens when we do Zoom. Yes, we're going to sign into Zoom. I'm already signed into Zoom, so it's going to give me this little pop-up here that is going to allow me all these different things. So now we want to authorize LinkedIn and Zoom together, and that's all you need to do. Okay, so now that you have it all connected, we're going to have to go back and do it again. You might need to refresh your page in order for this to set up and take, but in this case, we're going to go ahead and click it. Now you can see that I am already signed in and I've already connected to Zoom. Again, if I need to change that from Zoom to something else, I can of course do that. You're going to come over here to schedule a meeting for later, and you can see here that it is showing and identifying that I am connected to Zoom. I can put in my time. I simply select create, and all the Zoom meeting information goes right into that message that I can send on. Now, this is great because I don't have to get out of Zoom. I don't have to do a Google invite. This is all right here and takes place in my LinkedIn messages. Now, you can also do this through your mobile. So the next section after this is going to show you how to do this in the mobile version. Doing this in Android. But you're simply going to look for that message, little text bubble, which for me, it's up on the top line next to the word search. I'm going to across from my photo there, and we're going to simply select that. You're going to get to the messaging, and I'm going to text Elliot, or I'm going to try to set up a meeting with Elliot. And up at the very top, once again, in the far right hand side, you're going to see that little plus with a video. Select that, and now we can see I have different video options. What I like about this is that we can select to also have a different provider, which we can then connect. We can use LinkedIn video meetings, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom. So just to show you again, simply at the top, select that little image. Then at the very bottom of the new screen, you'll see select a different provider, select that blue link, and now you will see the different options that we have. So that is how you can do video messaging or video meetings through your LinkedIn messages.
Call it a day and celebrate.